Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with another makeup tutorial. I'm doing a prom makeup tutorial. So today I did this like dark smoky eyeshadow look, and honestly I'm so obsessed because it actually matches my dress. I wish you guys could see this dress. It's so beautiful. This dress actually reminds me a lot of like prom, and I never went to prom, so I was like, why not? Let me just film a video and show them what I would do if I was to go to prom. So this is what I came up with. But anyways, I wanted to let you guys know that this video is actually sponsored by Mitatalens. I'm actually wearing these gray eye contact lenses right now, and my actual eye color is actually dark brown, so these make me look so different, and I love that. These are so comfortable, so natural. I don't even feel them on my eyes. Like, I don't even feel like I'm wearing eye contacts, and that's why I love them so much, because they're so comfortable. These are in the color Mist Gray, and like I said, these are my favorite. So I'm gonna show you guys all the colors they sent me, because they did send me 5 of them. So this is the box it came with. Like I said, I got 5 pairs. I actually chose the colors myself, so I'm gonna show you the first color I got. So this is the first pair of contact lenses I got. This is in the color amber green brown, and I'm gonna be trying these next because I really want to see how these look on me. But I was so surprised when I seen that it came with 10 pieces. I was expecting to see like 1 pair of contact lenses and that's it, but no, you get 10 pieces, which is great, because I actually, this right here, this color that I have on right now, it's actually my second pair because I did lose the first one. So I was really happy when I seen that I had more pairs, you know. Like I said, I expected 1 pair, but you get 10 pieces. So these right here are the ones I'm actually wearing right now. These are in Mist Gray, and these are my favorite. So the next pair I have is in the color Lake.
It's actually called Lake Baiko Hazel. I just didn't know how to
Screen.
pronounce it, but
This is how they
yeah, that's
look.
what it's called.
I also got these right here in the color Tea Black, and these also look grayish, a little lighter, but they look kind of similar to the ones I have. I'm not sure how they're gonna look. I'm pretty sure they're gonna look different, but they look pretty similar. And the last one I got is this one in, I believe these are in Musty Gray. I'm gonna open them up. Yes, these are in Musty Gray. I didn't realize they sent me the little tools to apply the contact lenses. So I was using my finger the whole time, and I struggled so much because I do have like nails, and you know they're super long, so I was struggling. So that was everything I got. Make sure you check out Mitatalens. Everything will be linked down below. And if you want to see how I apply my contact lenses and how to get this prom makeup look, then please keep on watching.